Oh, dear maths champions, and today in this particular session, we are going to understand about finding the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, so you can see here this quadratic equation. I have taken a general quadratic equation, or simple quadratic equation, which is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. So here the leading coefficient, that is the coefficient of x square, is 2. Okay, and that, mind you, it is plus 2. Okay, and coefficient and constant term is 3, so plus 3. And linear coefficient, that is coefficient of x, is plus 5. See that the understanding this particular concept is first very important. Now leading coefficient, that is this 2, and the constant term, if you multiply and 2 into 3, we will be getting 6. Okay, so this all should happen in your mind. See, this particular exercise, this entire exercise, we are doing it here on a paper, but while solving the quadratic equations roots from this place onwards, this entire thing will go on in your mind. Now the factors for 6 are what? 1 comma 6. Okay, 6 comma 1, correct. What is meant by factors? If I multiply these two numbers, I will be getting 6. Minus 1 and minus 6 also are factors. Minus 6 and minus 1 also factors. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 are also factors. Now the question is if I add these two factors or subtract these two factors, will I get 5? Is 1 plus 6 5? Definitely not. Is 6 plus 1 5? Definitely not. Is minus 6 minus 1 5? Array, yaar, I think but I left it blank. Here I want you to give me as a comment what is your answer as minus 6 comma minus 1, because I find many students making mistakes in this particular addition or subtraction exercise also. So minus 1 minus 6 is what? Okay, now 2 plus 3 is what? Yes, it is 5. And 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So we are at the right place. That means we will be choosing 2 plus 2 3 or 3 2 as our this next step. But 6 minus 1 is also 5. But do we take 6 and minus 1? No, because if I multiply 6 and minus 1, I will not get plus 6, but rather I will get minus 6. Okay, what is the next step? In the next step, we will be using this 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2 to further simplify our quadratic equation and find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, chalo.